Today, we're reviewing ProcessWire, a content management system that's known for its flexibility and scalability. If you're a developer or someone looking to build a website with a custom approach, ProcessWire might be what you're looking for. Right off the bat, you'll notice that ProcessWire's admin interface is clean, simple, and intuitive. It's designed with flexibility in mind, making it easy to organize your content the way you want. One of the highlights of ProcessWire is its powerful API, which allows for deep customization, so if you have specific needs, you can really make the site your own. The homepage gives you quick access to your most important tools. From here, you can navigate to the content editor, manage fields, templates, or configure site settings. It's highly developer-friendly, which is great for building custom templates or integrating with third-party services. It allows you to build highly dynamic and customizable websites without being restricted by pre-built themes. Many useful links can be found in the description below, so be sure to check that out after watching the video. One feature that stands out in ProcessWire is its field system. You can create and manage fields that hold specific types of content, such as text, images, or files. This means you have total control over the structure of your website's content. Another key feature is the page tree structure, which lets you visualize your entire website's hierarchy and easily navigate to different sections. As we move through the admin panel, you'll see how easy it is to manage users, permissions, and even install additional modules to extend functionality. There's also a built-in media manager for handling your website's assets. It's pretty straightforward, which is ideal if you're handling a variety of different file types or media content. One thing to note is that ProcessWire doesn't come with a pre-built theme. If you're used to platforms like WordPress or Squarespace, where themes are a major part of the setup, this might feel like a bit more work. However, this can be an advantage for developers, since you have complete control over the design and layout. You won't be limited by a template system, and you can create something entirely unique. When it comes to performance, ProcessWire shines. The CMS is lightweight, which means your site can load quickly and efficiently. It doesn't carry the overhead that other platforms might, so as speed and performance are top priorities, ProcessWire delivers. The SEO tools and built-in support for clean URLs help you optimize your site for search engines without needing too many additional plugins. In conclusion, ProcessWire is a powerful tool for anyone who wants to build a custom website with a strong developer focus. It might not be for beginners or those looking for an all-in-one theme-based solution, but if you're after flexibility, speed, and customization, ProcessWire is definitely worth considering. If you enjoyed this review and found it helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment with your thoughts or any questions you might have. Thanks for watching.